Hey guys, last fan of the night. This is a progress lighting. I can't remember what the ornate model is called. Do you remember?
No.
One
I,
of them is the Windsor, I think. And the other one is the Apollo. Does that sound right?
I do have an Apollo. Well, actually, yeah, I do.
The Apollo is the plain one.
Yes.
So then this would be the Windsor, I think? I don't know. If I remember, I'll put it in my video title. These are another example of a fan that I never saw as a kid. And then when I finally saw them, I really liked them because they combined a lot of stuff from childhood fans into something cooler. The green motor, the same green motor that was in Ritz fans, which I loved as a kid. Um, they're an original copy. I love original copies. They've got that same like cane that Island fans and some real chunky motor fans have. I guess they're all C.E.C. made, except for the
Mm-hmm.
Island fans that have that cane where there's a huge gap between the blade bracket and the cane. I either like cane that just covers the whole blade and there's barely any wood, or when the cane is way too small for the blade. I like both of those extremes. So I just like everything about these, but I never saw them as a kid. The first time I ever saw them was when Chandru Gouldsmith posted them on VCF.
Mm-hmm.
So this one came with a really weird progress lighting vaulted ceiling kit that presumably was a lighting canopy that was retrofitted for their fan selection. It's a terrible way to mount a fan, and the screw that holds the down rod in place is stripped anyways, so sooner or later we'll get around to drilling it out, but not tonight. So we're just using a generic moss canopy and down rod that we just had kicking around the shop.
Yep.
So, blade brackets are a little bent, but it didn't wobble too bad when we tested it before, and these brackets break look pretty easily. So let's just try it like it is.
Okay. It's set to low. Variable speed is set to low.
What if it was set to low?
All right, and I gave it a nice low. It was like almost
Yeah.
like a medium speed going for the way they had the trim set on the variable speed. So 10 watts and just over a quarter power factor. So yeah, I gave it an appropriate low. Now I'm just gonna gradually go up on the variable speed.
You ever see these as a kid?
No, I don't think so.
I don't think they were sold around here. Well, no, they had to be because a few of them have turned up. The ornate ones have never turned up around here, though, just the plain. So
Right.
I've never seen them installed anywhere around here.
No. Okay, here is all the way up. 0.69 amps. 83 watts. Yep, and power factor of 1 all the way up.
Yeah, these are really very good fans.
They are, the way they perform, yeah.
Cast motor C.E.Cs, usually solid like a K-55.
Oh yeah, and I can feel that, so.
Yeah.
Yep. Off. Yep, let's do spin down. Now, is it off reverse or is it?
I believe there's an off in between, but don't hold me to it.
Okay, let me set it all the way down. I'll let it spin down first and then worry about that afterwards.
Okay.
All right. Pull it. There we go. Yep, you're right. There was an off between. So here's reverse. And just a nose hair higher.
Yep. Usually the case.
Okay, there is high reverse.
A little bit more.
Yeah.
A little bit more wobbly. Still not bad. I bet you'd wobble more if we had a shorter down rod on it.
Mm-hmm.
Usually the longer the down rod, the less the wobble.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So, you want to go? Oh yeah, you go first.
I think I'm going to give it 2.
Okay.
I think it'll start low.
I think you're right, but I'll do 3.
Okay. 1, 2. Nope.
Oh, I got a chance still.
3. You got it, because it's going on 3. Okay.
That's
4.
one thing about cast motors is that they're a little more like buggy than K-55s. Like you never know quite when they're gonna have a dead spot or you know what I mean.
Yeah, I do. Here's 5, which matches the low speed that I got the variables set to.
Okay, so 5 seems like a good low.
Yeah. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 12, 13, 14, and 15. $16, 17, 18, 19.
So what do you pick as the medium?
I'll do 15.
15 seems good.
We're at 20 right now. And we're still under. 22, 25, 30, 32, 35, 40.
That's pretty close. So you.
Yeah, well, I'm at maxed out, so
Okay.
I'm
I
already.
wasn't sure if you were waiting to see something.
Oh no, I'm already. Yeah, there's no resonant frequency in this one. Okay. All right. We already did solid state.
Yep. So just 0 to high, huh?
Yes, that's right. a little bit of an inrush there.
Normal for these. Yeah, I like these a lot. I
Mhm.
always thought about hanging one somewhere, but they're just a little bit too plain for my living room. I don't know where I would put it, but I would love to hang one of these somewhere. I'd love to have a restaurant and have these be the restaurant fans. I think they're just perfect for that. Okay, well, this was the last video of tonight, so thanks for watching. I think Pete and I have conflicts the next 2 weeks, so unless we can squeeze a day in there, which hopefully we can, we'll see you guys in 3 weeks.